The system is now fully armed. In this case, I'm not going to disarm the system, and I'm going to let it go into alarm. The system goes into alarm. Save our ears. I'm going to close it and demonstrate the call-out feature. Answer.
Judge. Alarm door.
Press 1 to enter speakerphone mode. Press 2 to disarm the system. Press pound twice to hang up.
If I press 1, I can talk to whoever's on the boat. If I press 2,
Judge. Alarm door.
I can
Press
enter
1
my
to enter
passcode.
speakerphone mode. Press 2 to disarm the system. Press pound twice to hang up.
Or just simply press pound twice to stop the call-out and leave the system in alarm.
Please enter your access code. Please enter your access code. Welcome.
Judge.
The system is now disarmed.
System disarmed. Zones in alarm.
Now that there is an alarm on the system and it is disarmed,
Press 2 to leave a message. Press
I'm
3
going to
to
press
listen
star
to
and hang
mode.
up the call.
Goodbye.
You will now notice that there's an information key on the screen. This information key comes up for a variety of reasons and will oftentimes be accompanied by a beeping sound. In this case, the information key wants us to know that there is an alarm in memory. So I simply press the button underneath the information key. It says alarm in memory. I say OK. It says user 1 disarmed after the alarm at 3:37. It says it was zone 1 that went into alarm, which was the salon door. I press exit and it is now cleared out. Other examples as to why the information key would come up would be if there's low batteries on a zone, if there's a time or date loss, or other similar utility functions that the system wants you to know about.